Hello, for those of you who are looking for the summer and you're in Switzerland, do not go to Lausanne, Zurich or Bern. So, as I do it right now, I'm arriving in Mendrisio, as some of you saw on my Twitter, and I'm just gonna go down to the platform, and I think within the range of the short video I will be coming up on the other side, and you will realize how crazy the weather difference is between Zurich and, on the other hand, Lugano. I'm just realizing, no, forget about the 1 minute mark of a short video. It's gonna be a longer one in portrait mode, but I really can't be bothered. But the crazy part is really the temperature I cannot explain. I mean, I can just tell you in a way that it's a lot warmer here, and I'm asking myself, why do I wear this jacket? But if I would just turn myself around in a few seconds and you see the view and the brightness of everything here, you realize it's summer, at least in some parts of Switzerland. Let me be myself safe here, so I'm not getting killed on the street. And you see already, and my picture is going to be a little more bright now, but give me a second. And that's Lugano. Quite a difference if you compare this to your Zurich experience of the last days. Have a great one, and have a nice weekend.